Alright, Tinker and Tom on YouTube. Please hit subscribe, like to the channel. I'm doing an oil change on the 2013 Subaru WRX. I tried to get even ground. I had to get out of my complex, so it's a little off level. I'm going to jack up this side, make it a little bit more even. Okay. Here's the other tip. Make sure you use OEM oil filter. And I went to Walmart and got Pennzoil. It's a brand I trust. I don't trust a lot of other brands. I've had good experience with them. Sometimes Castrol. Just make sure it's full synthetic and follow what's on the cap. I do that. Some people try to put other stuff depending on where you are, but 5W30 is a good oil. That's what it wants. All right, get it going. Find a safe spot on a pinch weld. You need space for your jack stand. Probably about here. We got some lift going. I would just use this, but it's not safe. Need to see if I can get a jack stand under there. These are relatively large. I think we'll be okay. It's here in case it falls, I guess. Hopefully it won't. Yeah. If I go too high, it's gonna be off level. I'm not gonna be under here that long. Okay, just get in and out. All right. This size we can either convert down or upsize. How I do upsize with the breaker bar. I don't have any issues. Always make sure you have a breaker bar. All right, 17 millimeter. I didn't even bring my oil thing. And then you'll turn that bolt. And there is the filter right here, right behind the header. Okay, mine didn't have the plastic cover. .17 millimeter breaker bar. Fit up. Open the oil cap and this part, the whatever it's called, the dipstick, and then that way you get more airflow. My car is warmed up because I drove over here, so it should flow out perfect. these are hard to keep up with. Here goes, it popped. Switch to my other. Let's see. Let's switch to my other socket. Take a time, I'll just use this one. It's already got the adapter. Sometimes it's annoying to get off. You can see. I'm supposed to get a new washer every time the dealership's closed for the holiday, and I only used it one time, so I think it'll be okay. There it goes. So don't lose that washer. Oh yeah, that's black. She retained that. I don't know what footage y'all are getting. This is the head camera on my GoPro. Oil's almost done draining already. Clean out this thing. Open this up. I have to still pull the filter to get the drained out of that. Just doing this to clean out any dirt and debris stuck in there. Okay, got that ready. Just to keep up with that stuff. I'm gonna go for the filter. It's almost done draining. Go to get the filter loose. That's where you want to have oil filter pliers. These guys. If you guys can see it. It's not too bad, you can just turn it with your hand. I just burned myself on the header, so be careful. Very hot. Let me try to get some gloves. Second time, don't get burned like me. Okay, I was able to turn it with my hand because I didn't let the dealership do it, where they crank down on these things. So we're loose here. Put this back on. Drain bolt back in. I'll tighten it down. filter. Make sure you wear gloves. It's gonna be hot. Oh yeah, that's pretty hot. Runaway towels. Guess I got plenty now. Shouldn't need any more than that. Got the new filter. Pennzoil doesn't put a little thing there, I've noticed. That's interesting. I've noticed that. I've used some of it. So don't be freaked out. You want to look for that platinum, at least. I think there's one above the platinum. Ultra platinum. That's the one you want to get. They didn't have that one available. Just pre-filling this before installation. That way when the oil has to pick up for the first time when you start your car, it's not getting starvation. Go pick up here. Better with my right hand. You just want to get it nice and tight, not crazy. I think the heat actually sucks it up tighter. So I just get it hand tight. Yeah. Okay. That's it. I'll just tighten this drain bolt and fill her up. I put the whole 5-quart jug in. I think it's like 4.75 or 4.5 or something like that. But I just put the whole 5 quarts because sometimes those things aren't filled as full as they say. It's nice and tight. Don't overdo that and you have a lot of problems. There you go. Slow, steady pour. I would call this the best affordable motor oil for Subarus, in my opinion. Pennzoil, for being your local Walmart product, it's pretty good. The reason I'm doing this is I just installed a blow-off valve. Before that I was pushing towards the end of my oil change interval anyways, and I put these new parts on and it's pushing my turbo a little bit more, so I want to make sure I have good oil flowing through, especially with the blow-off valve and stuff like that. The pairing right there, if you see it in red, and I have the Cobb SF intake. Now I'm stage 1+. Hopefully I can get a Pro Tune soon, saving up a little money. Please hit like or subscribe on this video for more videos like this. Go ahead and give y'all a startup. no leaks, and we can start the car. Should calm down the engine a little bit. Got oil. Also, I just want to make note, I've been making my own little oil change stickers. I'll put a link in the description below, maybe, of where you can get some of these. So you can do your own oil changes and keep up with it, just like the dealership or oil change places do when they slap that sticker on. Idle for a little bit as I put my tools away. Please hit like, subscribe on this video for more videos like this. Tinkering Tom on YouTube. Peace.